Hi friend, let's study God's Word. So, ang didakin natin today is grow up. Yung Bible verse natin is from Psalm 78 verse 34. They began to seek Him. They again look for God. So, the one who wrote today's story is Miss Lalaine Gogna. So, doctor pala siya yata. Or Tondontis, is that a doctor? So, sabi niya, they deal with growth patterns in adolescents. So, they try to be abreast with research on better serving their patients. So, since it growth, so it's something to with the pituitary gland and if they are producing the enough growth hormone. If the growth hormone is deficient, sabi, it's not just size that's affected, but also bone density, muscle mass, even psychological health. So, which could result to decrease in quality of life. So, sabi niya, we are all called to grow up, to seek God, and keep looking for Him. So, how do we grow? So, sabi niya, at the start of every year, we take stock of lessons and realization. So, ang question natin is, how did I grow up in 2024 or the previous year? Do I love others more? Was I more patient? Did I sin less? Did I serve more? Is my relations with God deeper? Am I kinder than the me I was 12 months ago? So sabi niya, these differences, no matter how small, look back and see how you've come. Look ahead and find confidence in God, who says no matter how far you still have to go, you will always have Him by your side. So, ang reflection natin is, may we desire more and more to grow in the things of God. Ayan, friend. So, ang challenge sa atin is to be better for this coming 2025, to have bigger goals, to have better goals, to have accomplishment, to have bucket list, to have to aspire to be more, to be better, to give more of ourselves, or to contribute more of the kung ano man yung skills and talents that we have or experience that we have, is to be the better person this 2025. Kung if we are better in 2024, let's be our best, the best self that we have this coming 2025. So yun yung parang inaano sa atin ng share today si Sis Lalaine Gogna. I think the wife of Brother Arun, no? So, but sabi niya, these differences matter no matter how small. So, look ahead and have confidence in the Lord. So, siyempre lagi we have to ask Lord for guidance, for help, for assistance if there are things na we feel we are not achieving. Baka yung kulang natin is faith in the Lord or assistance from high above. Yun na lang ang kulang. That's why we're not knocking out these goals, these targets that we have for ourselves. So, yung let's look for the better version of ourselves. Kung ano man yan, let's ask. Parang sometimes kasi sabi nga, I think it's sa James, that we do not have because we do not ask. So, it's just reasonable to ask assistance from the Lord in order for us to achieve yung mga unfulfilled dreams pa natin or in our bucket list na we have not yet accomplished. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.